Hi guys, it's Mia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two squishies I got from Mercari seller, so let's get started with the video. Here's the first seller, and from her I ordered this honey bun by HaChimi, and it's the strawberry version. They also have a vanilla version. It has a light bread scent. It's very soft and doughy. It kind of has like a shimmer to it. Since the strawberries are printed on, I feel like you have to be a little bit careful when you squish it so that they don't come off. And the next squishy is from Grace. First of all, she gave me a few Kuromi stickers. These are really cute stickers, so thank you so much to the seller. They're like holographic. Really adorable. And I already repackaged this squishy, but it's the Sunny's Kitchen frozen yogurt. And these are really hard to find nowadays. So I'm so happy to have gotten my hands on one. It's definitely a more wrinkly squishy. But anyways, that is all I have for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video with all your friends and family. If you have any video ideas you'd like to see me do in the future, comment those down below. See you all next time. Bye!